harvest, August 2012, sitting in a cat, what number?
760 TT.
760 TT with a 40-foot header. And I got some friends in Norway, that's why I have to do this. Everything is automatic here, just GPS, which is not running currently. Beautiful layout of everything here. Going 4.5 miles an hour, 40-foot header. What is the bushels per acre again?
Showing 82.
82 bushels an acre in wheat, which is about 1,699 bushels per hour.
Yeah.
And what's the other one?
21 bushels, or 21 acres per hour.
21 acres per hour. And moving on in the field here with 3 other gleaners, southern Manitoba. And for everywhere else in the world, this is how we do it. And this thing is on tracks. Tremendous horsepower, what, 525? Every time you get a loaf of bread, folks, think of us. Pray for us.